Man, that's a nice one. Probably too big to keep.
Yeah.
But look at all the other fish that you're spooking.
How am I gonna get him in the boat?
You're gonna pick him up.
Yep, I see the spot there. He's pretty. Pretty. Oh, he's hooked. He's got that thing all the way in his mouth. I can't even see the bait.
Okay, we'll end up cutting it off if it's too big. You better grab him by the mouth.
Grab him by the mouth.
Yeah, because that line is so.
Stick my thumb in his mouth.
Yeah. He doesn't have any teeth to speak of.
Oh man, I see it way down there.
Oh, that is one nice fish. Okay, I'll come over in a second.